Hey, Rod! This nigga low. Rod!
Yeah, CJ. Hey, CJ, tell me why I didn't finish high school.
Because you been dealing drugs, man, since the age of 10.
No, that ain't it.
Because you had put hands on that teacher for wearing baller colors.
No, that ain't it either. It's cause I'm too intelligent for this shit, man. I am the real deal, fool. Oh, yeah. A genius.
Oh, yeah.
Who has more straps than anybody? Who has all the straps, huh?
A man with a lot of guns. Shit, I give up.
The army, my nigga. The army. Let's go.
Yeah.
Go hit
Get
the
that
wet.
out my face,
Go
man.
hit the
You
wet.
know I don't fuck with
Oh,
that,
come
man.
on, man.
Come on.
Buster. You think you can roll this van without killing us both?
Hey, Ryder, where we going?
Ocean docks.
How we get this van? It wasn't outside when I came through.
My homie LB, he like a clockwork ninja. Real dependable. Unlike some of you.
Appreciate that. Give it a rest, man. I lost my little brother, and now I lost my mom.
Don't matter how much shit the city throw at you. CJ, you gotta stick by your homies.
Yeah, yes. What wonderful driving.
This is the spot. National Guard Depot.
Man, this shit look real serious. Are we up for this?
It's National Guard, fool. Weekend soldiers. Ain't no match for Grove Street OGs.
You enjoying yourself?
Nice job, CJ. Thought that was a suicide mission for sure.
Okay, we in. Move it, Ryder. Fuck y'all. You got a death wish?
I watch our backs while you use the forklift to collect the crates. Okay, homie, let's load this shit up. There's more outside. Shit, CJ. Shit.
You lost the will to live yet? You having a good day now, asshole?
Too many damn weekend soldiers. Come on, CJ. We got enough. CJ, get up front and drive us out of here. LB got us a spot in Willowfield. Hit the gas. Damn, man, these idiots just don't give up.
What's happening back there?
These part-time soldiers got a chip on their shoulder.
Nice rhymes, man. Hey, we real heavy. Toss some crates.
All right, check it out. Sound the horn, I'll throw a crate at 'em.
I ain't rolling with you no more, man, till you off that water, homie. It mess with your mind.
Whatever you say, fool. You don't know what's going on.
And what that mean?
I ain't listening to no more of your bullshit. We got the gun. We ain't no gangster, homie. You what, smooth? You don't want no trouble. I keep it real.
You wouldn't know real if it came and hit you in your cheeks, homie. What you could do if it gave you a hit first.
I ain't listening to you, Carl. That shit was tight.
Tight? Man, that shit was shit.
Man, you say you down for the homies, but all you do is complain.